Hello everyone, thanks for this chance that has been given to me. Today I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency, which is a digital or virtual currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. It uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions, as well as to control the creation of new units of a particular cryptocurrency. In early 2009, an anonymous programmer or a group of programmers under an alias Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin. Satoshi described it as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It's completely decentralized, meaning there are no servers involved and no central controlling authority. In today's lecture, I'm not going to dive into technical issues. So let's see how you can use cryptocurrencies in your everyday life. Nowadays, you can use cryptocurrencies to buy anything such as house, car, food, tuition fee, etc. But you may have this question that how you could transfer or receive cryptocurrencies. Well, I need to tell you that it's amazingly easy to make a transaction with cryptocurrencies. First of all, you need to create a wallet for yourself online, and it's completely for free. Then you will get a wallet address that you can send it to anyone over the world for receiving cryptocurrencies. Surprisingly, it takes up to 20 minutes to receive the cryptocurrency you are waiting for. At the time I'm giving this lecture to you, there are over 1,660 different cryptocurrencies in the market, and the most famous one is called Bitcoin. But how can you know the real value of each cryptocurrency? Well, it's not that difficult to do that. You can easily check the website, which is called coinmarketcap.com, and you can find the value of each cryptocurrency specifically moment to moment. Have you ever known that you could earn money with cryptocurrencies? Well, I would like to tell you that there are several ways to make money out of cryptocurrencies. The first way is investing. What does that mean? Actually, it's a good time to mention that the cryptocurrency's market value fluctuates like no other assets based on demand and supply. So now you can probably guess that how you could trade your cryptocurrencies. Yes, you're right. For instance, you can buy one Bitcoin for $7,000 and sell it for $7,200 after just 5 minutes. So can you imagine how much money you could make out of this technology? Many people believe that cryptocurrencies are the hottest investment opportunity currently available. Indeed, there are many stories of people becoming millionaires through their Bitcoin investments. The second way is mining. Miners are the single most crucial part of any cryptocurrency network, and much like trading, mining is an investment. They contribute their computing power to solving complicated cryptographic puzzles, which is necessary to confirm a transaction and record it in a distributed public ledger called the blockchain. A lot of people have made fortunes by mining bitcoins. Back in the days, you could make substantial profits from mining using just your computer or even a powerful enough laptop. These days, Bitcoin mining can only become profitable if you're willing to invest in industrial-grade mining hardware. This, of course, incurs huge electricity bills on top of the price of all the necessary equipment. So what else do you think could do with this technology? You can securely store your medical information over the time and access it anytime you want and anywhere you are. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.